6th grade Pre-AP Unit 12 Summative, Area, Volume, and Surface Area. Number 1. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? A. 56.32 cubic feet. B. 28.16 cubic feet. C. 20.4 cubic feet. D. 10.2 cubic feet. Number 2. If the volume of a cube is 1,000 cubic centimeters, what is the area of one of its faces? A. 10 square centimeters. B. 50 square centimeters. C. 100 square centimeters. D. 600 square centimeters. Number 3. The net of a square pyramid and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the lateral area of this square pyramid? A. 384 feet squared. B. 192 feet squared. C. 528 feet squared. D. 624 feet squared. Number 4. Which best describes the lateral faces of a square pyramid? A. 4 congruent triangles. B. 4 congruent squares. C. 3 congruent triangles. D. 3 congruent rectangles. Number 5. A toy manufacturer makes a set of building blocks in the shapes of a variety of geometric solids. Each set includes 12 square pyramids, all the same size, with the square bases painted red and the other faces painted blue. Which measurements should the manufacturer consider to determine how much blue paint will be needed to paint the square pyramids in 100 sets of blocks? A. Lateral area. B. Area of base. C. Volume. D. Surface area. Number 6. A clear file box is shaped like a rectangular prism is modeled below. The shaded part represents one base of the box. A formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is V equals BH. Which equation can be used to find B, the area of the shaded base of the box in square inches? A. B equals 1/2 19 14. B. B equals 19 plus 14. C. B equals 19 14. D. B equals 2 19 plus 2 14. Number 7. The dimensions of a solid block of cheese in the shape of a triangular prism are shown below. Which of these is the best estimate of the volume of the block of cheese in cubic centimeters? A. 175 centimeters cubed. B. 270 centimeters cubed. C. 350 centimeters cubed. D. 135 centimeters cubed. Number 8. A crate is shaped like a rectangular prism. The crate is 1.2 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 4.5 feet tall. What is the volume of the crate in cubic feet? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 9. The roof of a house is in the shape of a square pyramid. The slant height of the pyramid is 17 feet, and the length of each side of the square is 30 feet. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid in square feet? A. 1,920 feet squared. B. 2,040 feet squared. C. 1,020 feet squared. D. 1,410 feet squared. Number 10. Sakura has a birdhouse with rectangular walls, a rectangular bottom, and a rectangular entry, like the one modeled below. She will paint the 4 outside walls, but not the bottom or the roof of the birdhouse. What is the area that Sakura will paint? A. 320 square inches. B. 160 square inches. C. 300 square inches. D. 140 square inches. Number 11. Trent used the expression below to find the volume in cubic centimeters of a square pyramid. 1/3, 12 squared, 14. Which square pyramid has a volume equal to the value of the expression Trent wrote? Number 12. What is the area of rectangle ABCD? A. 3 square inches. B. 16 square inches. C. 32 square inches. D. 48 square inches. Number 13. The area of rectangle WXYZ is 24 square yards. What is the perimeter? A. 3 yards. B. 11 yards. C. 22 yards. D. 24 yards. Number 14. Parallelogram EFGH has the dimensions shown below. Which of the following quadrilaterals has the same area as parallelogram EFGH? Number 15. What is the side length of a square with an area of 36 square millimeters? A. 4 millimeters. B. 6 millimeters. C. 9 millimeters. D. 18 millimeters. Number 16. A triangle has an area of 90 square centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. What is the length of the base? A. 6 centimeters. B. 7.5 centimeters. C. 15 centimeters. D. 30 centimeters. Number 17. A rhombus has a side length of 9 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. What is the area of the rhombus? A. 15 square centimeters. B. 27 square centimeters. C. 30 square centimeters. D. 54 square centimeters. Number 18. The diagram below shows a trapezoid and its dimensions. What is the area of the trapezoid? Number 19. Part A. Name the solid. Explain your reasoning. B. Calculate the volume of the solid figure. C. Calculate the surface area of the solid. D. Calculate the lateral area of the solid. E. How much greater is the surface area than the lateral area?